about new construction. Okay, so what does it take to buy a home and you want to have a new home built from the ground up? Well, basically the builder is either going to have a buy lots, separate lots from a developer, or the builder might be a developer themselves, and they'll develop the whole community. So what does that take? They're going to need a sewer engineer to come out and look at the land, look at the I want to say that, but I can't at the moment. But they're going to see how the land flows, because when it rains, the water has to flow somewhere. So they're going to put the streets in, they're going to put the sewers in, they're going to make sure that they have underground utilities as well. So for example, if you ever buy land, like if you're building a house and you're not using a builder, you want to make sure that there are utilities on site, because if there's not, it's very expensive to connect to the county. So you want to make sure. Okay, so once they have developed the community, either a builder will come in and buy the whole community out, or they might buy a couple lots. Sometimes there's 2, 3, 4 different builders in one community, which is fine. That is perfectly fine. They basically might have different products. One product might be lower than the other product. Hey, Keisha. Okay, so right here you have a vacant lot. Okay, and they're going to have a certain setback as well. So when they build a house, they're going to have a certain setback, how far the house has to sit back off the side of the street. And not every plan can go on each lot. So when you're looking at lots, you're like, oh, I really like that lot with the, the hill. Even if you like that lot, they might have to do some things to make sure that the house is secured on that lot. So they might have to build a retainer wall. They might have to come in and bring more dirt. A matter of fact, in my last community, when I did new construction, the builder did not buy a lot because it would cost too much to put the fill in the lot. So that's perfectly fine. That's what they did. They did not mess with that. Another builder came in and built a basement lot. Okay, so this particular house, you can tell that for the most part, this is probably going to be a basement lot, and I can tell you the reason why. It kind of slopes in the back. You can't see it from your vantage point, but I can just see it, that it's going to slope in the back. So this is pretty much, I'm sure it's going to be a basement lot. Okay, so I'm going to wait for my friend to show up, and I'm going to show you guys the beautiful new home that she's going to be part of, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.